Hi, now that we have an active console license, it's time to install the tester agents. So to do this, go to the Help menu. You will find agent installers available for many platforms. Freemium though only provides the Microsoft Windows installer. Just download the agent and install it on your target host. The installation process is simple, just follow the instructions. Leave all by default. 10117 is the default port used by the console to communicate with the agent. Wait until the process is finished, and that's all to it. Now let's get back to the console. Let's go to the management box menu. A box is an agent within a console, but let's add a zone first. Zones can be anything you like. Here we use them for states, starting with Washington. Now let's add our agent or box. Let's give it a name, Seattle. Let's provide an IP address for this test interface and the assigned zone. That's it. Let's check the availability, Windows platform, version number, zone. Thank you.